In today's video, we'll be discussing the reality, okay, around creating some videos in some niches. All right, because I want to tell you a story. Sometime last year, August, I created a channel, and my intention for creating that channel was to start creating videos on insurance because I had 6 years of experience in insurance before I resigned, okay, as a salesperson. Then I created some videos about 2 4 videos, and I discovered that those videos were not getting views. Okay. Then I tried bringing tech because I'm good in tech as well. I tried bringing in tech tutorials, how to use some software, how to use your iPhone, your computer, and so many other applications to complete some tasks. Which some videos about that, many videos about that is on this channel. All right, that's software tutorials. So, and I found out that those videos on tech we are getting more views than those ones on insurance. Even 2 weeks ago, I did 2 videos on insurance about insurance premium and about, I think, lapsing of insurance policy. But those 2 videos, didn't get any view till yesterday when I checked. And I started wondering, I have created insurance videos for some time. Why am I not getting views? Why is insurance videos not getting views? This may apply to some persons. The truth of the matter is, all niches don't get equal number of views or traffic. That's the reality. So if you are this type that is creating a particular video on a particular niche, and you discover that there is no much views coming, you don't even get up to 3 views in the next 48 hours. And you did that for at least, and you do that for at least 3 months without any views. It's time to try another niche. Think about another niche that has traffic. Learn how it is done and do it. All right? Because if you keep on staying on that niche, your monetization may not be possible. Imagine me having only insurance videos for maybe next 3 years. I will not meet the 4,000 watch hours because the people that are interested in insurance topics are low. They are not much. But you talk about videos, you talk about phones, everybody use Android phone, everybody use iPhone. Most people use computers. Most people work with software every day. So there are a lot of interest in these topics. So what am I saying in a nutshell? What I'm saying is this. If you have stayed in a niche for 6 months and you're not getting views, I think it's time. It is time to try another niche. When you try another niche, you may end up getting views. Okay? Scan through. Okay? You think of something you can do instead of maybe staying here 4 years without monetization. And you have been committing effort, putting efforts. Okay? That means that what I mean in this case is that hard work on YouTube is not enough. You need to analyze. Sometimes you analyze because let's talk about another thing. In terms of finance, if you even get monetized maybe after 2 years and you're not getting views, how much are you going to be earning every day? That's another factor. So the less view you have, in most cases, the less money you're going to get. Maybe in 1 month you're seeing maybe $6 or $10. You will not even get up to $50. So it becomes a problem. So when you create at a point, you may need to go back, think about what needs to do for you to keep on moving. So this is the tip I have for you today based on my experience so far about creating video on different niches. If you're not getting views for 6 months, you may need to try another niche. So far, you're uploading your videos consistently. So if you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. And leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.